Hi everybody, it's Crystal. So today I'm going to do a short yarn review here on, let's see, today is 4/20/2021, and this is a newer yarn from Lion Brand. It's their regular basic stitch, but it's reflective. So it has that reflective piece of material that runs through it. So when you're out at night, I believe it's good for, like, if you're jogging and walking and stuff at night, you know, and the car headlights shine on you, it reflects. So I'm just going to go over it real quick with you because I just happened to notice it at Joann's. It was the first online at Joann's. It was the first time I saw it. So it is 88 acrylic and 12% polyester, and it is classified as a medium weight number 4, which is good. 2.5 ounces, 70 grams, 105 yards, or 115 meters. Machine washable and dryable. The color I have here is called Pure Platinum. And let's see if I can find out where it's made. Made in India. Okay. All right. So at Joann's, it is $4.99 online. That's a regular price for it. Right now, at the making of the video, they only have 6 colors. I thought I looked the other day and they had a few more. I don't know. But I got this kind of pretty much slate looking grayish, or light blue, I guess, or platinum. I guess you call it platinum. Now, it's pretty much like, you know, they have their basic stitch line. This is, I think this one's anti-peeling. Yep, it's their basic stitch anti-peeling acrylic that reflects. So, if you've used their basic stitch, I like their basic stitch. I have many tutorials using their basic stitch, and I have no problem with it. But this time, it just has that reflective material in it. Now, their recommended hook size knitting needle is a 5 millimeter, and crochet is a 5 millimeter. So I did a swatch up, and it looks like I thought it would. I knew that you would be able to see the stitch definition really well, which you can. You can see those bobbles quite well. And I had no trouble at all crocheting with it. I think only one time it got hooked out of the swatch here that I made. It got hooked up on that reflective material there. But the rest, it kind of just crocheted like their basic stitch. Crocheted basically like their basic stitch does. It's just, you know, it's a fine yarn. I have no problem with it. Now, things that are good to make with this reflective type of yarn like this, you know, like I said, it's good for people that walk or run, exercise. You make hats and stuff. Wristbands and you know, or whatever, armbands and headbands, and just anything that you would want if you're walking at night to be reflective. Good for a dog. Maybe you could put a bandana on your dog or something like that you're walking. I actually have a backpack. It's actually an older video, so the quality's not that good. It was when I first started YouTube. A backpack tutorial that I made out of Red Heart Reflective. Now, I will put a link to that on the screen now. You know, you can make, if you see it up there, you could use this yarn for it. It would work really well for that backpack. And, you know, backpacks are good for anybody, actually, and especially kids if, you know, they're out at night. Good to have something reflective on, and, you know, they carry their books and whatnot in it. But anyways, there you go. You can see it crochets just fine. I'm going to turn the lights off and try to see if we can see how reflective it is. Just a second here. I don't know how well that's going to work out for me, but we're going to see. Let me clip this off. Okay, there's my swatch. It was fine. Looks good. Everything looks like I figured it would. Had no problem crocheting with it. Stitch definition is beautiful. You're going to be able to see any stitch that you make with it. Okay, let me hit some lights, and then I'm going to turn the light on my phone and see what we can do. Okay, so I got my, it's dark in here. I got my piece of material right there, and I'm going to go ahead and shine a light on it. Say you're walking outside and there's a car coming, and see if it reflects. Yep, there it goes. See that reflection there? See it lighting up? That's cool. Yep. it works like it's supposed to. I knew that it would. That's pretty cool. So it's completely dark in my room right now. I just have a phone light reflecting off my sample swatch, and you can see that it reflects in the light. So if it was an oncoming, like say you were walking outside and you had that shadow was my phone, I'm sorry, and you had a hat made out of this on, and a car came, it would reflect off your hat and it really well. Yeah, that's working out really well, and it'd be able to see you. Or if you're walking your dog has a bandana on or whatever, be able to see it all, you know? Backpack. That's cool. I'm gonna turn my light back on. All right, so yeah, I demonstrated. It works well. It works like I figured it would. So, that's the reflective yarn. It did. It's like many reflective yarns that I've seen before. Tell you the truth. You see one, you've seen them all. It's fine though, as far as you can kind of feel that piece of reflective material, but not enough that it's going to bother you. You could make a wristband out of it. Like say you were walking, make some wristbands. Like I said, make a hat, make something for your dog. You can check out that backpack I have, or make something, anything you wanted. But yeah, I think that's kind of basically what it's for. Is for people that are outdoors, that like to do outdoor activities at night and whatnot. But if you could think of any other uses for it, let me know in the comment section. Maybe I can come up with something to make with it other than the original things like hats or backpacks and stuff like that. Something new and inventive that this would be good for. Let me know in the comments. But that's it. I just wanted to bring this yarn to your attention because the only place I saw it at the making of this video was online at Joann's. So yeah, it's pretty good. I like it. I can't say anything bad about it. Thanks everybody for watching. Have a good day.